By the way, mimi, I'm celebrating. I'm totally in celebration. The moment nilisikia kwamba Martha Karua amefukuzwa Tanzania, that is the time I started celebrating. Mama Samia Suluhu, the President of the Republic of Tanzania, thank you very much for deporting back Martha Karua and her friends and whoever accompanied her wakenda kufanya hizo ujinga Tanzania. Those people, they have destroyed this country. Martha Karua is among the people who have destroyed this country. Now she pretends that she's fighting for justice. Mara ako Uganda, Mara ameskuja Tanzania. Yet in this country, she knows very well what she did during the 2007-2008 post-election violence. She supported Kibaki. She supported the rigging of elections during that time. She knows what she did. Martha Karua today ameadmit kwa Fixing the Nation ile inafanyika NTV na Nation FM. She has admitted that she was happily witnessing. She enjoyed the witnessing Mr. Kibaki kuwa sworn in usiku as the fake president of the Republic of Kenya after Samuel Kivitu amemwannounce as the presidential as the winner during that time. Martha Karua amesema she was confident, she was happy, overwhelmed with joy akiona Kibaki anakuwa sworn in usiku. And that is the type of person you expect Mama Samia Suluhu, a woman of democracy, allow ainge kwa nchi yake aende haribu tena. Back to sender. You have done a nice job, Mama Samia Suluhu. Thank you. In general, the Tanzanian government. If you see some of them when they come, please bring them back. We want them here. Hapa ndo tutatandika viboko ya maneno na pia wakicheza tutatandika viboko ya mwili. So bring them back. Any fake politician, any useless politician anajaribu ku gain entry into your country, bring them back. Martha Karua is not a leader. She is not even supposed to be anywhere close to leadership because she understands what they did 2007, 2008 during that post-election violence. She owes Kenyans an apology, a big apology. She has never admitted that she was part and parcel of that process that made many Kenyans lose their lives. Martha Karua, you don't deserve to go to Tanzania. When you go there, we know what you're going to do. You are going there to create or to cause anarchy. You are going there for incitement. I want to say big thank you to Mama Samia Suluhu for bringing you back, for deporting you back.